Hey YouTube, we're back with another video. This is, I think, our 5th video of our YouTube channel. I'm really happy that you're supporting us on this. We're trying to make good YouTube videos, but we don't have all of our equipment yet. So thanks for that. Alright, today we're having a Nerf battle. And this is our Nerf guns of choice. Here we got the the Mega Blaster. And over here we got the Nerf Magnus. Alright, what do you say we start now? Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, pick your weapon. Of course, this is mine. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! This is hard. One hand. Alright. Where is he? Alrighty. Where is he? Ugh. Hold on. Alright. Holy.
Round 1 over.
Alright guys, this is round 1 over. Of course, I lost. Sorry about that. Hold this quick. I have to get my... Dude, my bullet just dropped out of here.
Oh, we're gonna take a... Hey!
Dude, my bullet dropped out. I only have 3.
And I only got 2. Yeah, your other one... There it is!
Knew that.
Dude, it's upside down.
Face it.
Sorry for that misconvenience, it was upside down. Dude, where's the other one?
What other one?
The other bullet!
I don't know.
There's another...
Maybe it fell out.
There's another
Yeah, I just
one.
picked that up and put it in here.
You took my other one, too.
Sorry, we're having a little mix-up here, but we'll get started in a few seconds. We have to go find another Nerf bullet.
Dude, you took
Let's go.
the one I had in my hand, and then that one
Shut
over there.
up, Carl. Hey. It's over here.
Why can't you ever listen to me?
Shut up. We're on YouTube, idiot.
I bet if you ask YouTube who's right, they'll say me. You took the one that I had in my hand, and then
I have 4, and I started off with 4. You have 2, and you started off at 3, so it's your fault.
how's it my fault when you took both?
Because it was your bullet.
Shoot as many times as you can. Do it. 1.
Dude, why are we fighting right now? That was 2. That's 3. Alright, sorry. My bro's being picky. That's 4. And that's how much I started off.
Shoot, 1 more. Better now than straight out.
Alright, have this 5th one. Alright, we're getting started now, and I have to reload it. Sorry for that inconvenience. Set you there for a second. Alright, this thing loaded up. Can you hear my bullet over there? Shut up. Your mama's so stupid, she thought seaweed is what fish smoke. We'll start that tomorrow.
Dude, I bet I can scare someone.
Dude, no, stop. Shoot right past the camera.
Pass me through.
Dude, that's gonna scare the crap out of us.
Out of us too.
Wow.
You have to watch it.
Alright. Here we go. Alright, we're getting started now. Sorry, I won't be showing my face much in this video because I'm just going to be running and I'm going to face the camera ahead of me so I know what's going on. Alright, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go! It jammed up! Where'd he go? Did you see him? Where the heck? Ah! I'm shot! That was Matrix stuff. Alright guys, round 2's over. I'm not doing so good. Alright, let's reload and start round 3. Alright. Here, I'm just gonna set you on the ground quick. This is not going so well. We're doing 4 rounds and I lost 2. Usually I'm better without the camera, but
he is really good at Nerf.
But yeah, I'm trying to do a YouTube video. Alright, I'm just gonna zoom in our face now. On my face. Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go! Ha! Shoot me. Shoot. Shoot me. Dude, shoot at the camera. Alright, here we go. Shoot at the camera. I got him. I got him, guys. I won the round. I won. My first round. I'm happy. I'm really excited. Alright, just saying, tomorrow we will do a couple more gaming videos and a baseball video. And if you're interested in that, we might just do another extra video just to get one out of the way. Carl. But right now, this might be the only one we're gonna do. We might do a Halo one today, but we're depending on if we should or not. But alright, let's get started on round 4. Because you won 2.
Yeah, you shot me in the chin.
Alright, let's do this. You ready, YouTube?
2, 1,
go! He's chasing me, I know it. Alright. Oh, and a big shout out to Juke Squad. They really inspired me to be a YouTuber. Juke Squad is like, you have to check out their videos. They're really good. And the other one, Dude Perfect, their YouTube channel is really good. And one more, Juke Squad, Dude Perfect, and oh my god. Oh, Sky Does Minecraft. He's really good. So, shout out to them. They really inspired me to be a YouTuber. Haha. Alright, I'm gonna turn you out of the way now. I won. It's a tie. We have to. All right. We have to do a 5th round because it's a tie right now. All right. Carl, can you grab those other bullets? All right. All right, this is like sudden death right here. So I'm hoping I won. Carl, you stole my bullets. I have 2. Hold on. Come on. Hey! Carl! You have my bullets! I have 2 bullets! Can I have my bullets back, please? Carl, how much bullets do you have? And I have 2. Oh, this is the horrible part about Nerf wars. Losing the bullets. Should we end the video here? Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Wait. See y'all. We're gonna do alright, let's just get a never mind. We're just gonna do our tiebreaker right now quick. Alright, 2 bullets.
2 bullets?
Yeah, because it's starting to rain out here. So we're just gonna do it quick, okay?
Wait, 1.
Alright, put them in your pocket. Put mine in your pocket.
Is that 1?
Alright, guys, I'm just gonna reload. We're playing 1 in the chamber.
And we need to stay in this yard.
And we need to stay where we can see each other. So this is gonna be pretty fun. Carl, bullet right here.
What?
A bullet right here.
Oh. That's where yours was.
Alright, YouTube.
Small area, can't pass those phones.
Alright, YouTubers, we're gonna start now. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Turning around so you can see the stuff that's happening. No!
Yes!
Oh my god! YouTube, I lost. My freaking gun kept getting jammed. Oh yeah, we had 1 bullet. Oh my god. I forgot that we had 1 bullet. Oh. Yeah, if you saw that dodge by my brother, that was a good dodge actually. Alright, YouTube. We're gonna stop the video here. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. See y'all. Peace.